Ever feel like your BMW's interior is stuck in the past? This iJDMTOY F30 style shift knob aims to fix that, bringing a modern touch to older E46 and E60 models. It's a bold claim, but the visual transformation alone is pretty striking. Imagine ditching that old shifter for something that looks like it belongs in a brand new M car. This isn't just about looks though, it's a functional upgrade too. The gloss black finish and piano black panel give it a premium feel, and the illuminated LED indicators are a really nice touch. You get green lights for park, drive, neutral, reverse, and MS mode, plus that classic Bimmer orange glow for all the lettering. It's bigger and bolder than the stock knob, which actually makes it feel more substantial and easier to handle. The installation tip mentions a quick pull and plug-in, which sounds promising for DIYers, though they do recommend watching the video for the full process. It's designed specifically for automatic transmissions in left-hand drive vehicles, so keep that in mind. The push-button parking and thumb-button gear selection are intuitive and mimic the feel of newer BMWs. It's a significant interior refresh that can make a noticeable difference in the cabin's ambience, especially at night. For anyone looking to modernize their E46 or E60 without going for a full interior overhaul, this illuminated shift knob is definitely worth considering. It's a smart way to add a touch of contemporary luxury and functionality.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.